Hello, my family and friends. This is Armando for Double AZ Slots. We are in front of Ruby's Nights Out. As you can tell, it's a 9-liner. We had a few requests for 9-liners, and where it's a penny denom, we got $100 in there. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show the bingo card on there, but that's how it is. Hopefully we could have hit it big, so let's try to see if we can double it and get a lot of red spins. And for those of you that are watching this session that has yet to subscribe to Double AZ Slots, join our family. Hit that subscribe button, and at the end of the session, hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel. Come and join our family. We're getting ready for our 500 subscriber celebration in the next few weeks. We just got to weed out the details of it, and you'll be the first ones to know. So let's hit it big for Double AZ Slots. Here we go. First spin is eyes. Open V. And closes out at an open V. Pretty good hit. Thank you very much, Ruby. Keep it going now. And we got an arrowhead out of that one. Come on there, Ruby. Get your sisters out. Got eyeballs on that one. Come on there, Ruby. Oh my gosh, come on, Ruby. Yeah, we got eyeballs again. Keep it going, we got open diamond. And we got private stripes. Let's keep it hit. Come on now. And private stripes. Let's switch it over, switch it over. And ends up with private stripes. That's a pretty nice little hit, 1240. Keep us in the ball game. Oh, look at those blues. So hopefully everybody's having a good week. Let's mix it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, all you had to do, Ruby, just switch spots. That happens. Oh, beautiful wrist. Come on now. Yeah, we got eyeballs again. Keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. We got step ladder. Keep spinning, keep spinning. And we got another step ladder. Let's switch it up a little bit. And ended up with step ladder. Come on, Ruby. Be nice to double AZ slots. And we got eyes again. Got a new card. Oh, look at all these sevens. Let's mix it up a little bit. Let's hit a couple more at max. See if that does anything. Then if not, we'll go ahead and move to another. Find out what else is out there. Yeah, we got eyes again. That's all it's giving us, seems like. Well, I tell you what. Well, let's hit it down a little bit more. See if it's being shy a little bit. Eyes again. Do a couple more. Oh my gosh. Well, I tell you what, we're going to go ahead and move on over. To Lucky Ducky. Let's see Lucky Ducky be nice for double A. So. Now here we are in front of Lucky Ducky. There's the jackpots. And we're going to start off slow. Let's see if Lucky Ducky is nice to double AZ slots. Yeah, good, nice hit, Private Stripes. Come on there, Lucky Ducky. So hopefully everybody's having a good week, as I just said earlier. Let you all know we're getting ready for our 500 plus subscribers celebration. We'll hopefully take care of that next month. We'll give you the details shortly. Hopefully in a couple of weeks once we find out everything. That was on a small diamond, just want to let you all know. Oh, doubles. Come on now. Oh. Come on there, Lucky Ducky. Look like Lucky Ducky decided to go home. Come on now, be good. Oh, triples. Let's take them on home. Here we got a small diamond. Here we go, double bar, lucky 7. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we back up to almost close to where we started at. So I tell you what, let's do a couple backup spins. Don't go below 60. Maybe kind of warming it up a little bit. And we got small diamond, making us play a little bit. Let's get the last two. And last one. Oh, well, maybe not. Small diamond. And back up on that one. And last one. All right, folks, we can call it a draw with old Lucky Ducky. He's been good. He gave us a couple good spins. And for those of you that have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get ready for our celebration and just join our family. We got a lot of cool videos coming your way, and also what's in our library. And if for those of you that want to see something special, go ahead and hit in that comment section. What machines do you want to see on our celebration? Put it in the comments. We'll look at it and annotate it and see who's the winner and what machines we're going to see. So hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care now. This is Armando for Double AZ Slots. Take care now. Bye.